Welcome to my channel Living Linux. In this video I want to show you the passive cooling case for the Radxa Dragon Q6A and some other similar single board computers like the Radxa Rock 5A and the Radxa A7A. So it comes in this shiny envelope, and I ordered two of them because I also ordered the Radxa A7A, but the 8GB model was out of stock at Radxa, so I ordered it from an independent shop on AliExpress, and well, they still haven't shipped it, so let's start with just one. So So these are the thermal pads, and I have the Radxa Dragon Q6A here, and I'll prepare the thermal pads and then I will continue the video. Okay, so you can see I used one of the thermal pads. I put it on top of the SoC and the memory chip, and the case is actually assembled with screws. So I unscrewed it, and I already put the base here. So now let's put the top. So I think, yeah. So this is where the Ethernet port goes. Okay. So let's see. When we put in a screw, at least okay, so I think this one is in position. So let's do another one. So this is what it looks like now. And well, it's summer here, and we had a couple of days with more than 30 degrees Celsius. Now it's much cooler. So, but when we have a hot summer day again, then I will try to push it and see if this case is good enough even with summer temperatures. So this is all for now, and hope to see you again in my next video.